Sadhus take out a massive rally in Maharashtra asking immediate action on the Palghar incident. It's not just corona, but there is another killer invisible virus looming large on us. It is such a deep part of our lives that we don't realize when it infects us. Fake news. The content that you just saw was in fact fake. Even the government these days is taking strong steps towards people who spread fake news. So, what can we do to protect ourselves from catching and, more importantly, spreading this virus? Physical distancing? No. Controlled sharing. Share only things that you are sure of being true and credible. But how do we find that out? Before sharing any message with anyone, we must ask who created this message and why. As all media is created by humans, it is bound to have some bias and some agenda, which is usually hidden in fake news and propaganda. Check the credibility and authority of the source of the content. Not all news websites are credible, and because someone has a large following doesn't mean that they are an authority on the subject. Look for evidence. If someone just writes that UNESCO has declared on WhatsApp, that doesn't mean that UNESCO actually did. The existence of evidence isn't enough. The evidence must be relevant and reliable. If someone tells you it is going to rain in Kanyakumari because it has rained in Kashmir, this evidence is neither relevant nor reliable. Evidence is not equal to the truth. In fact, data and statistics are the best weapon that fake news creators use to spread lies. It is not your fault if you've been infected by this phenomenon. The biggest peddler of fake news, social media, has been specifically designed to reinforce our beliefs by showing us only what we believe in. By resisting to scroll deeper into the pit, we can start scrolling horizontally and look for the same information out of our social media bubble via a Google search. This will help us develop not just the skepticism which acts like our body's immune system towards this virus of fake news, but will also expose us to different perspectives, making us more empathetic and tolerant. We know this is maybe a lot to ask from you, and you might not have time to do this for every piece of content that you encounter. Therefore, there are services that you can make use of to check the credibility and reliability of the fact before sharing it. You can use these websites or forward the messages to us, and we shall tell you whether it's true or not. The world as of now already has a lot of problems. Let's not create a new one. Before clicking on that forward share button, pause and think. Is this legit?